upbeat, encouraging music starts and fades slightly into the background. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to gain weight? Do you feel like you're re-eating all the time but the number on the scale just one T budge? And to top it all off, does it feel like gaining weight has to be super expensive? Well, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to bust that myth and share a complete budget-friendly diet plan designed to help you gain healthy weight, potentially seeing results in as little as 7 days. We're talking about real food, simple recipes, and a strategy that won't empty your wallet. Let's get started. First, let's understand the basic principle of weight gain. It's all about a calorie surplus. This means you need to consume more calories than your body burns throughout the day. But, and this is a big but, it's not about just eating junk food. We want to gain healthy weight, which includes muscle mass, not just fat. That's why we'll focus on nutrient-dense foods that are packed with calories, protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. The best part, the most effective foods for this are often the most affordable. Think eggs, oats, bananas, potatoes, and whole milk. These are your new best friends. Before we jump into the meal plan, let's talk about some golden rules for gaining weight effectively. Rule number 1. Eat frequently. Instead of 3 large meals, aim for 5 to 6 smaller calorie-dense meals and snacks throughout the day. This keeps your body consistently fueled and makes it easier to hit your calorie target without feeling overly stuffed at any one time. Rule number 2. Don't skip breakfast. Your body has been fasting all night, and a solid breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and sets the tone for a day of eating. Rule number 3. Stay hydrated, but be smart about it. Drink plenty of water between meals, but try not to fill up on it right before you eat. You can even make your drinks count by opting for milk or a smoothie instead of just water. All right, let's build a sample shopping list for our budget-friendly week. You'll want to grab a carton of whole eggs, a big bag of rolled oats, and a bunch of bananas. For dairy, pick up whole milk and some full-fat Greek yogurt. For carbs, a bag of brown rice and a bag of potatoes are perfect, long-lasting staples. For protein, chicken thighs are often cheaper and more flavorful than breasts, and a can or two of tuna in oil is a great pantry item. Don't forget healthy fats. A jar of natural peanut butter is a must-have. For veggies, grab some spinach, and whatever is on sale, frozen vegetables are a fantastic cheap option too. See? No fancy, expensive supplements or weird ingredients. Just simple, wholesome food. Now, let's get into the 7-day plan. I'll give you a template that you can mix and match to keep things interesting. Let's start with day 1.
For breakfast, we're making a powerhouse oatmeal. Cook 1 cup of rolled oats with whole milk instead of water. Once it's cooked, stir in a big scoop of peanut butter, a sliced banana, and a drizzle of honey if you have it. This breakfast alone is packed with protein, carbs, and healthy fats, and will easily push you over 500 calories. For your mid-morning snack, have a hard-boiled egg and an apple. Simple, portable, and effective. For lunch, we'll have a classic chicken and rice.
Take a cooked chicken thigh, shred it, and mix it with 1.5 cups of cooked brown rice. To sneak in extra calories and nutrients, wilt a big handful of spinach and mix it right in. The heat from the rice will cook it down perfectly. This is a balanced meal that provides sustained energy. Your afternoon snack is crucial for hitting that calorie surplus. Let's go for a handful of almonds or walnuts and a glass of whole milk. If you don't have nuts, a simple peanut butter sandwich on whole wheat bread works wonders. For dinner, let's do something hearty and comforting. Bake 2 medium-sized potatoes. While they're baking, mix a can of tuna in oil for extra calories with a tablespoon of full-fat Greek yogurt or mayo. Cut the baked potatoes open, fluff up the inside, and top them with the tuna mix. It's delicious, filling, and incredibly cheap. And finally, before bed, have a small bowl of full-fat Greek yogurt with a few berries or another drizzle of honey. This provides a slow-releasing source of protein to help your muscles repair and grow overnight. Following this plan for day 1, you've easily consumed a significant calorie surplus without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about how to apply this for the whole week. You don't have to eat the exact same thing every day. For breakfast, you could swap the oatmeal for scrambled eggs. Scramble 3 whole eggs with a splash of milk and some cheese, and have it with 2 slices of whole wheat toast topped with butter or avocado. Another great breakfast is a high-calorie smoothie. Blend 1 banana, a cup of whole milk, a scoop of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and a handful of oats. It's like a dessert for breakfast, but it's incredibly good for your goals. For lunches and dinners, you can batch cook your staples. At the beginning of the week, cook a big pot of brown rice, bake a few potatoes, and cook up a pack of chicken thighs. This way, your meals are ready to assemble. You could have chicken with baked potatoes one day, and chicken with rice the next. You can also make a big batch of lentil soup or chili, which are both incredibly cheap and calorie-dense, especially when you add beans, ground meat, and top it with cheese or sour cream. Your snacks can be rotated too. One day it's a hard-boiled egg, the next it's a banana with peanut butter. A cup of cottage cheese is another excellent high-protein option. The key is consistency and preparation. When you have healthy, calorie-dense options ready to go, you're less likely to skip a meal or reach for something unhealthy. Let's address the gain weight in 7 days part. Is it realistic? Yes, it is possible to see a change on the scale in 1 week. A portion of this initial gain might be water weight and increased food volume in your system, but it's a sign that you're on the right track. The calorie surplus will signal your body to start storing energy and building tissue. To maximize muscle gain alongside weight gain, try to incorporate some resistance training. You don't need a gym membership. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges can be very effective for stimulating muscle growth, which ensures the weight you gain is quality, functional mass. A quick tip for making this even more budget-friendly: buy in bulk. Oats, rice, and potatoes are always cheaper in larger quantities. Also, look for sales on chicken and other proteins and freeze what you don't use immediately. Frozen fruits and vegetables are just as nutritious as fresh ones, and are often much cheaper and last longer. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. If you have an off day, don't worry about it. Just get back on track with your next meal. Listen to your body. If you feel excessively full, maybe make your portions slightly smaller, but add another snack. The goal is to feel energized and strong, not bloated and uncomfortable. Gaining weight is a marathon, not a sprint. But this 7-day plan is the perfect starting line to get you moving in the right direction, proving that you can achieve your goals without spending a fortune. So there you have it. A simple, effective, and most importantly, affordable diet plan to help you on your weight gain journey. Give it a try for a week and see how you feel. You might be surprised at the results. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. If you have any questions or want to share your own budget weight gain tips, please drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.